we going?
And I'm excited.
Yes, we're going fidget hunting. Fidget toys.
Yeah.
Um,
And we're going to go to the store. We're going
I don't know. No, it's closed. Yes,
Oh.
it's closed. The
And
shop's closed.
I'm planning to go. There's also the shop called Kenji.
Yeah.
And I've seen TikToks and like apparently they're in Arndale too.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm planning to get a from the Kenji cafe a boba instead of going to Gongcha.
Yeah.
And then I might get a plushie
Okay.
and like some extras with it. So we'll see once we're inside the building.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye. So a little cart which is over there.
We don't.
Yeah.
It has squishmallows.
Yeah. Let's have a look what it's got.
Oh, look at that.
What are those?
They're reversible squishmallows. I was talking
Yeah.
about them. So basically, you flip them. They have fidgets here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, so happy. And then it's angry, happy, angry.
Oh, or sad. Happy and sad.
Yes.
Yeah. How much is it?
How much is this?
It's five. Oh, bit too much?
Do you have £5?
No.
Okay.
So Arya wants to go to this shop entertainer. Apparently they have plenty of fidgets in here. Oh, pick that up, darling. Wow. Oh, wow. What do you call that?
A shaggy scarf.
Okay, pick that up, please. Arya, pick it up.
Oh, you didn't know. Not getting those because I found something.
It's Ryan's World.
I found something way better.
Oh, wow.
Already have plenty. One massive slime ball. I had others, but my heart is staring at this the most.
Okay, good. To Kenji.
Anyways, close your eyes because I have a gift for you.
Mm-hmm.
I have a gift for you. So you must close your eyes. Close your eyes. Other days in the Philippines. So I want to tell you, I love you, Al Rohan.
Yeah, he wants it. Give it to him.
Oh, they have mochi. Look, which mochi should I get?
Don't know.
Oh, please help me. They're so cute. But which mochi should I get?
One.
Well, I can get this one, and then maybe one from there as well. Mochis! Squishy animals, they're so cute. Okay. And this is the blue, I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm.
But it's, they're both cute.
Mm-hmm.
I have a strange addiction.
Strange addiction. What are those socks for?
Got another mochi.
Yeah, nice socks. Wow, this is the Kenji Cafe. And they do different types of milk teas there. Wow.
They even have marble drinks.
Yeah. Oopsie. Oh. What is this shop, Arya? Where did you find this shop for? Wow, look. TikTok. So cute.
How can I get that?
Oh my goodness.
Which, this one or this one?
No. How much are they?
What about a smaller one then?
No. How much are they? That's 12. The small one's 12. And how about the bigger one? I think it's 12 as well.
Say yeah, boo.
I'll get you for your birthday.
Which one? All of them.
That's only 9. The one at the bottom. How come they're so cute?
Because they are cute. I don't.
Wow. Alin ba dyan? Which one shall I pick?
And they have jellyfish.
Yeah?
Pop
Jellyfruit.
kind from back then
Yeah?
in the lockdown.
Okay, we can do a mukbang ASMR.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that would be cool actually.
So which one should we take from here? I think I
Banana.
want the sesame one.
I want the banana.
Banana or this one? Oh no, not matcha. I don't like that. I want one of these. I want this.
Why mochi? You want the ketchup?
And this. Taro as well.
Life in a type of very, very. I could.
Yeah.
No.
So I think that's my paayuda this week gone and cancelled. I've spent it all. We've spent it on Kenji goodies. So we decided to go for the original one and one caramel and one mango.
How to explode.
Oh, Arya,
Hi.
we're going home now.
Yes. And I also just got this from the works, but we couldn't record.
So
I didn't open it. It's just it just came in a package like this.
yeah, we're going home, and you know, look out for our vlog for unboxing and for ASMR.
Yeah.
So 2 bags from Kenji's. I think it's enough for the day. Yun, at saka yung bubble tea. So
Yes. The bubble
That's
tea
enough.
looks good actually.
uh-huh.
Delicious.
Bye.